Oh, here we go again. Good old Preston Beach. Got here pretty late, so I've got a fair bit to set up. So, yeah, I'm just going to take my time. It's very hot now. It's 35 outside according to my car. So, very nice day. Lots of people down here, especially being on a Saturday, which I don't normally come on the weekends because I like to avoid the masses. But beautiful day. Going to get in. Going to test out my new Maphoex drone, the Poseidon Pro. Hopefully get to try that out, see what happens. Bought a shark rod, so very least I might send out a shark bait or two and see what happens. But currently here there's a reef a few hundred meters out, so I might send up my little drone, just have a look, see if I can see anything. If not, I might be just winging it. So get set up, see how we go. Alright, let's get this beast fired up and go and have a look out there.
Take off.
290, 300. Alright, I'm just going to bring that camera down, have a look down. Probably not enough sunlight. Oh yeah, I can look at that. I can see some nice reef there. Alright, let's bring it home.
Return to home.
Let's bring her home and get sorted on with some fish. It's time, boy, it's time. Before I carry on, I'm going to crack a beer. It's warm, sweaty, and I'm drying the mouth. So beer time, and then I'll pack some more up, set some more up. It's a beautiful Certate, 18,000. 400 meters of 100-pound Tasline. Beautiful, beautiful. Just put some squid on that. Not even going to ghost cotton it because it's, sorry, not squid, octopus. So not the best bait for here, but she's going to stay on pretty good without having to put cotton juice on it. So, and yeah, just got the yellow grapnel sinker on. And I just have to set up a line for the drone tag. Getting bites from this drone rod. I think we're on now. Yeah, we're on. Oh God, I love this reel. Why does it look flat? Looks like a flounder. Oh, it's a little skate. Bloody little skate. Goddamn little skate. Bloody skate. Get out of here. Get. $250, $270, $300. Stop, stop, stop. Drop. Turn home. 2 drone baits out. Yeah, baby. Bring on the bigger mama. Alright, charge this battery. Hold down, go. Charging. Phew. Alright, put this other one in the drone. Bloody bugs. Alright, full battery in there. 1 on charge. And 2 rods out. One's getting hits, but it's snagged, so I'm hoping that it's gonna bite it off the snag, otherwise I'm gonna have to bust it. Unfortunately. We on, baby, we on. Come on. Bloody eagle ray. Guess who's gonna be shark bait? Guess who's going to be shark bait? $350, $370, $400 drop. Come home, baby. Are you on again? I'll let you know when I get it in. Got a while to go. Double header skate. My gosh, is this what my night's going to be doing all night? Bruh. Off you get. Go on, pigeon pair. Go on. So, just going to put a new rod tip on this rod that I got. That the rod tip was off. It's a bloody killer rod. So it's land-based game, old school one. It's Assassin. So angler's rods. What is it? 15, 24 kilo. Sick rod. So it's going to be gnarly for ballooning with mackies and backup shark rod, whatnot. But anyway, I bought it for a good price with no rod tip on it. So, but the rod tip's pretty easy to repair. Not really daunting at all. Best thing about it, if you don't get it right, you can just start again and do it all over again. So let me just get my glue. I've already used this one the other day. Best thing about doing this is just don't overthink it. So this size Fuji guide or tip is a 12/50, whatever that means, but you pretty much just want to make sure that slides all the way on and it'll feel pretty loose. Don't think that it's too big, because if you try and get a tight one on there, you're not going to end up with any glue on there. So that's going to sit perfect. So as easy as. Now, because this is just heats up, it's just a glue stick, so if you get it wrong first time, don't stress, you can just heat it back up and redo it, or heat it back up and fix it a bit. So just want to get that nice and soft. Yeah, it's going to go black as well, but just make sure it's just enough where it's not going to drip. And then you want to put that all over. So I want to probably heat that up a bit more. Need a bit more glue on there, so heat that back up. Doesn't help when there's wind blowing in the back here. Just want to put it all over. Pretty much slide it on and line him up. That's pretty much it. I won't need that anymore. That can go away till the next time. Now with this, I don't recommend touching it because it's going to burn you. But I'm a slow learner and I like things to look a little bit more pretty. So yes, that's hot and that's burning me. But I'm just going to make that a little bit nicer. Double check that that's lined up nicely. Spot on. It's as easy as that. Well, it's that time of the morning. Still half asleep, but yeah, beautiful morning out there. Got up a little bit late, haven't even got a rod out yet, so gonna have a coffee and I might flick a lure or something, but yeah, it's gonna be a pretty long day I reckon, waiting for the fish to come back on this evening, so I reckon I might just get a shark bait out during the day and kill time and see if we can't get a shark. Test the drone out with a shark bait. Otherwise, yeah, I'm just gonna have to kill some time today, I reckon, and yeah, I'll just wing it, see what we can come up with, see what we can catch. So yeah, stay tuned. Yummy stuff. Just got the surf rods out there for now, so I'll give that half an hour or so and then I'll work out what I'm going to do from there. All these little fish hunting my burley. Getting an inquiry here. We on budget food this trip. Go the noodles. So convenient though. Got the power pack on charge, 46%. You keep those drone batteries going. Oh, they're gonna be good. They're gonna be good. Now for the real test to see what this drone's made of. Big slab of eagle ray wing. Let's see what she's got, eh? She's got him up. $400 meters and drop. What a splash. Come home to me, baby. Phew. What a weapon. What a weapon. What a weapon. You turn him off. This is long overdue. Shit knives these. If you ever want to buy one, don't buy a IDFTECH. It's shit blade on it. It's pretty much just me stabbing knife, this one. Stabbing fish in the head because it's really strong. Come on, start singing, baby. Start singing. So, been killing time all day today. It's generally what I do when I'm staying on the beach fishing. During the day it's usually shit unless you've got everything going for you, tides and barometric pressure and whatnot. But I've had a shark bait soaking all day. With the eagle ray wing, and that's not even got a sniff. So, but look at that sun, look at this weather, prime time. So we're just starting. So hopefully I didn't waste my time all day today, although I did get everything charged back up, the solar panels, whatnot, everything's charged, ready to go. So hopefully we can get some fish this afternoon, this evening, tonight. Otherwise I'm gonna bust. Get around here. Bro, don't want you. Look, you're a cool fish, but you're not wanted here. Get. Go. Shit. Sending out baits for this snot. And a tiny little skate to finish things off. I'm done with this giant. I'm out of here. I am out of here. Done with this giant. Come on, get off. Be on your way, little guy. Go and get. Done with this giant. I'm out of here.